Yo, what's good everybody? It's your homie, Wendell and Eddie, back with some more Wizard 101 PvP action. This time, as you can see, we're using different wizards. Decided to lower down the level a bit. See what I did there? And, yeah, we're gonna see how this fight goes. Eddie has the first hit.
Let's start with this. Are you serious? So let's see.
Oh, you're probably gonna end his career on the spot. I know you are.
No. Not just yet. See, I knew exactly what we were gonna use. Nothing. It don't phase me, my boy. You too. It don't phase me, my boy. Although that fire is gonna like.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm calling this one Wilson.
Alright.
Oh snap, yo Wilson, help your boy out.
Okay. Those myths attack are gonna.
They're gonna do stuff.
I need to end Wilson quick.
Why? That was a hard hit?
Not really. Oh Lord.
No, Wilson! Alright, add him to the list.
Oh. Okay. I'm not trying to lose this. I'm trying to keep that clean streak. Oh Lord. Oh, okay. Alright. It's all good. Back to me.
Alright. Gotta get these circles out of here. Those things are annoying.
I'm gonna do this.
Alright, Rip Wilson. This one's, Franklin.
Alright. Okay.
Yep, I knew it. I knew he was gonna end him. Alright, check him off on the list.
Yeah, you're gonna see like a list of minions at the end credits. Okay. Ya lo veo.
Oh no. Oh, wait a minute. Nice, see, I knew you was gonna go for that. Now, if I follow everything through in my head, then I use that, but then this is first, and then I go to that, then that, and then that.
What happened?
Huh?
What'd you say?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Oh, no, because I had to move things. I had to move this thing away from my desk.
Oh, okay.
Oh, come on, dude. We're gonna be at a point where we have no mana. We're gonna have no...
No, for PvP, you don't run out of mana.
Oh, yeah, true. Forgot. See, like I said right here.
My name is whatever you call me. You know that song?
Nope.
Bro, how you not know that song?
How about this, guys? If we end up at a standstill, we're gonna restart the match.
That counts as a win. No, if we get into a standstill, here's what happens. Whichever one has the most health wins.
No. It should be like a point for both of us. And like from there we move on. Okay. So you're using ice. It don't phase me, my boy. Okay, a bit.
I like how you try to sound confident and then all of that happens.
Never been done in PvP before.
I find that to be funny, and I'm pretty sure what you're about to do has been done. Yep, I've done it before. Well, like I said, every bit counts.
Wait, by any chance, do you what's your secondary school?
Life.
Ah, that explains it.
And I was like, my name is whatever you call me. The rest you look a little lonely. I'll make you scream, I will make you laugh. Cause I want body with my autograph. Oh, I can bring back someone. Okay, let's see. What will this guy's name be? Mike. No, Mark.
Cool.
Jesus.
Yes. Come on, this has to work. Yo, if I fizzle, you live by like. Oh, please scare him. Don't fizzle on me, please.
I lost. It's done.
Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Really?
Wait, what if it keeps going with him?
Does it? Nope.
No,
Yes.
no, it doesn't. But just picture it did.
That would be funny. Okay, so that's 2 for me. And 0 for you. No offense.
Yeah, shut up.
So, well then. Alright, so that's 2, 0. Alright, you want to say anything?
Hold on.
For all the Reed,
Oops, I quit.
for all the Reed fans out there?
Hold up, I quit. I quit by accident. Oh, I'm not even gonna be there. Oh, crap.
Alright, just give your fans a shout out.
Pretty sure I don't got a fan.
No, I'm just saying. Well, you
Yeah.
got this one called Jenna.
Oh, well, yeah, I guess.
Alright, in other words, what he's trying to say is, he'll try to do better and try to win next time.
I'm not gonna try to win next time. I am gonna win next time.
Well, and then we put that guy from, the epic rap battle. Okay, I'm gonna add that to the list, actually. I'm gonna write that down. Alright, so see you guys.
Alright, in the
And
next
stay
video.
tuned. Yeah, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.
See ya.